Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we will be looking at your energy starting from 8th till 14th of November. In this video we will be looking at your past, present and future energies. So this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. Take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? So if this is not your story, do not try to make it yours. Let's see what's there for my Capricorns. Okay, so if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want, okay? Sorry. Let's see. What's there for my Capricorns, 8th till 14th of November. Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus sign. 8th till 14th of November, Sun, Moon, Rising in Venus signs. And the back of the deck we have the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so your overall energy with the Wheel of Fortune is telling me that there is a sudden change in your surroundings. This could be something in relation with good luck, okay, but well, it is Wheel of Fortune, so it can be a good luck or a bad luck. Okay, we will find out what exactly this is, but yeah, definitely there is a change and luck is on your side. And sometimes if bad things come, good things also come. Good things come, bad things also come. So this is like a wheel of a situation you are going through. Okay, in the past we have the Nine of Pentacles, the Magician and the Queen of Wands. Okay, so this is like a situation where you have took some control of a situation in the past. This could be your manifestation which have actually came really good for you in the past. It could be a situation like a person with a person only, okay, so where you have like you were manifesting for this person and this person actually came towards you, or universe actually granted you with this beautiful person, and you were wanting this person in your life and you got it. It could be in terms of finances also. You were manifesting a certain amount of money in your life and you got it. You were asking for independence in your life, you got it. So basically you got something which you manifested in the past. In the present we have Knight of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles and the Chariot. Things seem slow, although there is a lot of zeal and a lot of fire which is there inside you, but still you feel that there is a slowness of energies. All of a sudden you were really happy and all of a sudden things changed and you feel that like what happened, like you are asking for the answers from the universe, like what exactly is happening in my life and why I'm not able to take control of my life now the way I was taking control before, you know. In the future, we have Page of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, and Six of Cups. Okay, so somebody is like cutting someone out in the coming future. This is like a person who is not ready to commit. It could be you, it could be a person as well, but somebody who is not ready to commit, the other person is likely cutting the other person off. And it could be a past person as well. So, yeah, this could be like a situation where you can be a person who is not ready to commit, or somebody else in front of you who is not ready to commit, but the opposite person is like cutting this person off. Like I cannot go with a person who cannot commit, because I am seeing Page of Pentacles with the Queen of Swords. There is a difference of age in the situation in between both of you. Yeah, but this is likewise that situation. Let's clarify now your energies, Capricorns. What's there for my Capricorns, please? Okay, so let's see. Tell me more about the Wheel of Fortune in the overall energy. Why this Wheel of Fortune is here? What exactly is happening with my Capricorn? Sorry. What exactly is happening with my Capricorns? Two of Cups, Devil, and Nine of Cups. So this is definitely something which you were showing gratitude towards the universe for the situation. As I told you that like you were asking for this thing from the universe before, and now all of a sudden things have changed in regards with this person or the situation, and now you no longer, you do not want that thing, or you are asking for something else from the universe now. So basically a relationship which was like a soulmate connection and now turned into a toxic relationship. Yeah, it's like an energy change of either of you or your person, but definitely this is a big energy, a big shift. Okay, this is definitely a big shift. Like before you were asking for something else, you got it, and now when you got it, you are not ready to take it. You want something else now. You are looking for something better, and that's fine, I guess. Okay, so tell me more about this Queen of Wands in the past energies. Who is this Queen of Wands, or what energy this Queen of Wands holds? Okay, so we have Four of Swords, Queen of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. Likewise, I said that this is you who was manifesting for something big, something huge, something stable with finances, or it can be stability. But when you got it, you are likely to cut off that situation. You are like, I need some rest now. All of a sudden things changed. Okay, tell me more about the Nine of Pentacles in the past energies. We have the Wheel of Fortune, the Hermit, and the Queen of Cups. Yeah, when there was loneliness, aloneness, or something in relation with your own emotions, when that thing was needed, I feel that you were involved with something else at that time. You know, it's a kind of situation when actually the universe was trying to tell you that no, this is not the exact thing which you are wanting. You might be in a desperate mode, or you might be addicted towards the situation, but to be honest, this is not the situation you should be looking towards. But you somehow didn't listen to the universe, or you didn't take some hints from the universe, because the hints were already there, but you somehow didn't take those hints, and you get along with like, I don't care, like I'm fine, I manifested it and I'm getting it. Now what can be much better than this, you know? So that is the thing. But now I feel that you have understood, because of this time gap, or because of the situation being resting at a certain point. So you are now understanding the hints from the universe, like why exactly the situation was like that, why the universe was trying to give you hints. Now you are understanding that. Tell me more about the Chariot energy in the present. Yeah, Eight of Swords, Four of Pentacles, and the Tower. Yeah, definitely this is that thing which I was telling you about. Yeah, the major shift which I was telling, I was just, talking to you about. This is definitely that rush, that uncontrollable situation. Now you are in the middle of a situation where you do not know what is going on at all. You are like out of words, you are out of thoughts, you are just out of a situation. You are literally just want to sit now, like let's not take any decision. Why do I really need to take any decision, or I really need to think about anything right now? Why? So you are asking little like that. I want to know more energies of the present. I don't know, I'm not satisfied with this. Okay. Tell me more about the Knight of Pentacles in your present energies for my Capricorn. Knight of Pentacles. And what about this? Okay, so Knight of Swords came in reverse. I'm going to take it as reverse. Tell me more about the Seven of Pentacles also, please. King of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, and King of Cups. I feel like you feel blocked in a situation. Either there are two people or there are two situations between you are blocked, or you are thinking like whom should I go, because both are like strong energies. Scorpio and Taurus energies strong. King of Cups and the King of Pentacles. But this is like a feeling of being blocked, being patient at the same time. You feel like whether I should be patient enough or I should take a step fast. I feel that somewhere you are really, with the Knight of Swords in reverse, I feel that you are really becoming hasty. Like, I should take a decision now, all of a sudden, like things are falling apart and I should take a step now. But at the same time, you just do not want to take a step anymore. So you are in a very different mode at present, Capricorn. Like, at the same, both things, like one part here and at one part here, like this much of difference is going on in your energy. Let me clarify your future energies. Tell me more about the Page of Pentacles, please. The Fool, Two of Pentacles, and Nine of Swords. Things are not happening fine, Capricorns, because it feels like you are, you definitely, since you are at present, you are not able to take a decision. It's like the pending decision is going towards the future as well, in this coming week as well, and you will not be able to take a decision because you are just balancing the responsibilities which you are having, balancing between two people or two situations, balancing between your personal life, professional life. But definitely you are here, you want something else. Yeah, I feel you do not want to balance anymore. You want to live a life away. I do not want to balance this situation. I just want to live a life in a separate way, in a different way, because I am not ready to go into any kind of depression or anxiety because of this situation which is going on right now. I'm not in a mood to enter into any kind of toxicity right now. So this is your energies, Capricorn, and that is why I feel that in the week of 8th till 14th, you are going to be like this. You are going to take a step, but not in anyone else's favor. This is more in your favor. I feel that you are giving yourself more importance than anyone at this time, and that is very good. See how beautiful this Queen of Swords is. Although this is an energy of a Libra, but this is like you taking like cutting people off very easily, and you are like becoming very strong from inside. Like, let's just think for myself for some time. Tell me more about the Six of Cups in the future energies. The Hangman, the Lovers, and the Six of Swords. See, definitely you are going towards calmer waters. You are not entering in the chaotic situations anymore. You are going towards calmer waters. Definitely, this is you with the Hangman and the Lovers. See, you might even hang this situation for a certain time, but yeah, you will take things slowly, but with an interest for yourself, more about yourself. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Capricorns. I hope that helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.